Hello everyone, myself Mrs. Shatabdi Dhar. Again I am here for discussing some program in C using loop structure and nested loop structure. Here we will discuss about two programs. The first one is to generate inverted half pyramid of star for n rows, and the second program is to generate inverted half pyramid of numbers. Now we will discuss about the program, that is write a C program to generate inverted half pyramid of star for n rows. As you can see in this picture, this is a inverted pyramid of star for 5 rows. This is an example. This is an example for 5 rows of inverted half pyramid of star. To generate inverted half pyramid of star for n rows, here's our program. That is, at first hash include stdio.h, that is the standard input output header file, then int main, that is the main function. In main function we have to take three variables, integer variables, that is I, j and rows. I and j for the loops, for loops, and rows for the number of rows up to which the inverted half pyramid will be printed for the stars. So in the first for loop, I equal to rows, the limit that should be given by the user, I greater equal to 1 minus minus I, that is decrement, post decrement of I. Within this for loop, again a for loop will be executed here for j, that is j equal to I, j less equal to I, sorry, j equal to 1, j less equal to I plus plus j, that is post increment of j. And here star will be print within this for loop, and within the upper for loop the new line will be printed here, and at last the return 0. So this is the program for the inverted half pyramid of star for n rows, where n should be given by the user. Now I am compiling this program and now executing this program. So here is our first message, that is enter the number of rows. I am giving here 10 as an input, that is the number of rows should be 10. Now here is the result for the inverted half pyramid of star of n rows, that is I have given 10. So this is the half pyramid, inverted half pyramid of 10 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 rows, half inverted half pyramid. Now we will discuss about the program, that is write a C program to generate inverted half pyramid of numbers. As you can see in this picture, this is a inverted half pyramid of numbers for 5 rows. This is an example of an inverted half pyramid of numbers for 5 rows. Now, to generate inverted half pyramid of numbers for n rows, here's our program. At first, hash include stdio.h, that is the standard input output header file, then int main, that's the main function. Within this main function, I have declared three variables, integer variables, that is I, j and rows. The first message we have given here, that is enter the number of rows, and through the scanf function user will give the number of rows. Now in this for loop, I equal to rows, I greater equal to 1. So from rows to 1, the for loop will be executed. Pre-decremented I. Within this for loop, again a for loop will be executed for j, that is j equal to I, j less equal to I, then plus plus j, post increment of j. Within this for loop, j will be printed here, and for the upper for loop, the next line will be printed, and at last the return 0. So here's our program for the inverted half pyramid of numbers for n rows, where n should be given through the by the users. Now I am compiling this program. After compiling, I am executing this program. So here's our given message, that is enter the number of rows. I am given here 10. So the number of rows will be 10, and here's our output. This is the inverted half pyramid of numbers for 10 rows. Hope by this video you can understand the important programs using loops. Thank you for watching this video. For watching more programs on loops, don't forget to subscribe my channel.